Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to open an SMBC bank account. First, open your internet browser. In the search bar, type SMBC open an account. Press enter and wait for the results to load. Click on the first official link you see. This will take you to the SMBC account opening website. On the page, look for the option that says apply via PC. If you are using a computer like me, click on that option. To open an account online, you must be 18 or older and registered as a resident in Japan. Foreign nationals must have lived in Japan for at least 6 months or be employed by a company in Japan. Your residence card must be valid for at least 3 more months. Your tax residence must be Japan only, or Japan and the United States. You must also not be a foreign politically exposed person. After reading all the requirements and confirming that you meet them, click the next button. On the next page, you will be asked to open a PDF file. This PDF contains important information about the account. Make sure to read all the instructions carefully before moving forward. Once you finish reading the PDF, go back to the page and click Agree. Then click Apply for the account. Now you will need to enter your personal information, such as your name and email address. You will also create a password for your account. Next, the system will ask you to submit your identification. This can be a government-issued ID, a driver's license, or a passport. Follow the instructions to upload it correctly. After you submit everything, SMBC will review your application. You should receive an email within 3 to 5 business days. Please be patient during this time. Thanks for watching.